Welcome to our video tutorial on the screener from base.report. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the screener's features and how to use it to scan for stocks that fit the Qullamaggie Breakout Setup. First, we'll take a quick tour of the screener page highlighting the key sections and features. Click the screener button in the navigation bar to go to the screener page. At the top of the page, we have the screener header. This is where you can customize the screener settings and manage your own filters. Next, we have the market health bars. This gives a quick glimpse of how the market is doing overall, including the percentage of stocks that had a green or red day, and the price compared to popular simple moving average indicators. Then we have the screener results area. You can click the column header names to quickly adjust their values and use the little arrow icons to sort the screener results. Finally, we have the screener pagination. The number of results are displayed to the left with pagination buttons in the middle. To the right, you can change the number of results displayed on a single page. Now let's take a look at the setup we would like to scan for today. It is the Qullamaggie Breakout Setup, which contains 3 steps. For step 1, we will be using the 50-day range indicator. 50 trading days is roughly 2.5 months, and we would be able to set a minimum performance percentage for that range. For step 3, we need to manually look for some of these characteristics. But to make it a bit easier, we will be setting the price to be above the 50-day moving average. For step 2, again, this is some pattern recognition that you will need to conduct by yourself, at least for now. If you want to have a full understanding of this setup, please refer to Qullamaggie's website. Now, let's set our screener filter criteria. Remember that you can play around with these, adjust them to your own preferences. Under type, select stock. For the average daily range or ADR percentage, set it to 5. Under dollar volume, set it to 3 million. Under price, set the minimum to 10 and set the price to be greater than or equal to the 50-day moving average. Finally, the key filter for this scan is the 50-day range. This represents the percentage difference between the lowest to the highest prices of the past 50 trading days. Set this to 30%, which means that the stock has made a move of at least 30% in the past 50 trading days. As you change each filter criteria, the screener results will automatically update, narrowing down your pool of stocks. Under columns, you can customize the type of data you're interested in. The market cap is always good to have, so let's turn that on. You can also switch to the charts view to toggle how the screener results are presented. Click the table button to switch back for now so we can see the column sorting in action. The BPR, or base report rating, is our stock strength indicator. Generally, the higher the score is, the stronger the stock has performed recently. Some bonus points are allocated for recent consolidation. Let's click this little arrow here to sort by this column, and we can see that the highest rated stocks are now at the top. As you mouse over the rows of screener results, you will see a little chart preview pop up in the bottom right of the screen to help you identify the exact stocks you're looking for. You can add any stocks that look interesting to your favorites by clicking the star icon. Back to the screener header, you can click the export button to download a CSV file containing all of the results, which currently has 196 rows. Once you're happy with your criteria, save them by entering a filter name and clicking the Save button. Great, now that we have saved our filter criteria, we can easily access it again in the future. Thanks for watching this tutorial on the screener from base.report. We hope you found it helpful and that you are now ready to start scanning for stocks that fit the Qullamaggie Breakout Setup. Remember to refer to Qullamaggie's website for a full understanding of this setup and to continue learning and experimenting with the screener to find the stocks you are interested in.